Commit, commit to yourself that from now onwards, I'm ready to tap into the co-creator frequency. I commit to improve my self-talk and ask the right questions to reach the right outcomes. The solutions to all my problems is learning to communicate to the universe in the right way. So take a deep breath in, slow down your breath, observe every part of your body. Allow this breath to touch, caress every cell of your body, and allow your body to melt into this moment. Let every exhale release the noise of the world. Just your pure intent that as you exhale, you release the doubts, the old conditioning, the rush, the chatter of the body and the mind. With every inhale, feel yourself becoming lighter, clearer, and more open. And keep telling you, I'm safe with the abundance, with the newness, with the grandeur of the manifestations that are waiting to come into my life. I choose to feel safe. I choose to communicate in a better way that makes me a magnet to my manifestations. Now I want you all to focus on your heart because this is your communication center with the universe. It's the center of your vibration. Imagine a beautiful golden light swirling in your heart, making you tap into your God frequency. This is your divine frequency where Maya rules, your cosmic Wi-Fi. It always knows how to connect. You do not need to know it logically. It knows. As the golden light expands from your heart, see it traveling upwards through your heart into your entire auric field, conquering your third eye and your crown, reaching far, far beyond into the infinite world, infinite field of the universe. Every time you inhale and expand, every time you inhale and exhale, you are tapping into that godly frequency that is always wanted to communicate, waiting to communicate with you. Feel the universe responding, a gentle pulse of light descending back to you. As you expand, it falls down to meet you. You are now in a two-way communication. You take your first step, universe takes the rest of the 99 to meet you. Universe bends to meet you the moment you open up. So always say, God, I'm open to talk to you. I'm open to take the guidance you have in store for me in this challenging situation. I choose to surrender. I choose to talk to you in the most raw way. You speak, it listens. This is the space where you need to cry, you need to tell what you are feeling. And then, when you empty the space by expressing your human emotions, you tap into the frequency where you'll be able to ask the right questions. You feel the Maya responds through you. All you need is to connect. Now silently ask your first lofty question. The easiest question to ask to connect to the higher realms is, speak with me out aloud. Why is it so easy for me to receive divine guidance every single day? Why is it so easy for me to surrender? Breathe and feel how your energy shifts from asking for to asking from. Why is it so easy for me to receive divine guidance every day? Now you are not asking for something, you're not begging. You are now asking from the divine. Now ask a question about your purpose. Why does my work create such beautiful transformations in others and abundance for me? Why is my work creating so much peace across the world? Feel the light of the universe responding, not with words, but with gentle knowing, tingles, or simply peace. Now ask about your wealth and flow. Why does money love flowing to me through joyful and creative ways that I love? See the streams of golden light, dollars, representing opportunities, clients, ideas flowing towards your head. The gods and goddesses of wealth and wisdom are sending you ideas and opportunities and guidance how to implement them to create wealth in your life. Feel yourself surrounded by magnetic clients paying you lakhs and lakhs of rupees, trusting you and your energies. Feel calm, feel grounded, feel worthy, because now you don't have to pretend. Everybody knows your journey, and that's why they are connecting to you. You are not begging, you are conversing now. You are not a seeker, you are the co-creator in this space. Whisper softly, thank you, universe. I'm feeling heard. I'm feeling guided. I'm feeling supported. Ask any question that you want from the universe, not from a beggar frequency, but from Maya frequency. If you want to manifest a particular person, just say, oh universe, why am I so magically attracting their love? suddenly? Why are my haters becoming my admirers? If you want to manifest a particular specific person, see them standing right next to you. Ask God, what good have I done to attract their love, their support? Visualize yourself laughing, giggling with them, and say, God, what made me attract these beautiful memories with them? Why are you multiplying so many joys in my life? How come I become your most magical creator? Why am I able to take the right actions in the right directions? Why am I feeling so joyful and peace even when I'm resting, doing nothing? How come I'm manifesting money and business even when I'm on vacations, even when I'm holidaying? How come my life becomes so easy and joyful? Let this light fill your entire body with ease, with love, with peace. Every cell now pulsing with abundance, safety, and clarity. Feel it anchor into your root, grounding your dreams into reality. Bring all the manifestations to these questions into the root chakra and seal it, feeling gratitude for every single moment when you were losing faith but kept holding on to, when you were failing and falling apart but you did not give up, when you yourself were so sad but you were helping people, when you were yourself so broken and lost but the fire and spark in you never died. You still kept showing up with the faith that you deserve. Joyful, peaceful, comfortable, and supportive life. Take a deep breath in. Exhale completely. Feel your root vibrating bright red color, so charged, so activated, vibrating, swirling at perfect frequency. And slowly bring your awareness back to this moment. Tell universe, why is my root chakra so beautifully balanced and activated? Why is my sacral so balanced and activated and giving me amazing ideas to make money, to make love, to make happiness? Why is my solar plexus so beautifully healed and empowered that I'm roaring like Kali? Nothing can stop me from speaking my truths. Why is my heart chakra shining bright green, happy, sharing joys with others? Why whatsoever I'm touching is becoming gold? Why every word I'm speaking is valued? Why am I made feel so important, so loved? Why all the challenges are turning into opportunities? How magically am I able to trust people, money around me, and God? How is universe becoming my biggest support. How's universe working at the back end when I'm resting? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, universe, for giving me all the answers in the most easiest ways. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I thank you and I love you. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I thank you and I love you. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I thank you and I love you. Start rubbing your hands, wiggle your fingers and toes. You have just spoken to the universe. Put your hands on your eyes and tell yourself the conversation has already begun and I'm already getting the answers. I'm open to the conversation with the universe because I'm not my old self. I'm the Maya re-emerged. Yes, I'm the Maya re-emerged. I am the magical Maya re-emerged. Yes, so open your eyes. The session is finished. Let me know any guidance you got. Yes, anybody want to share the experience? This was indeed the most magical. Yes, I cried. Yes. Did you got your Diwali gift in this session? How many of you felt feeling that yes, it's a kind of gift? Yes, cleansed your negative communication with the universe and ready to begin the magical conversation. Yes, lovely. Thank you so much. Who wants to share? Come on, raise your hands.
Mainly, really, I got a gift from my husband's client. He brought a big box of all the gifts for Diwali.
Oh wow, amazing. So abundance already started flowing. Yes, Richa.
Yeah, thank you so much, Minnie, for such a beautiful meditation. And I was seeing a bird initially, golden bird.
Mm-hmm.
Initially, it was small, and then suddenly, as you walk us through, no, take us through that, it was a peacock. And at one point, it spread all its, and it was kind of dancing. I was
Mm-hmm.
like, where I'm going, I should be here. And then at
Yeah,
one
yeah.
point, I
It's a
saw
spirit dancing.
yeah, I saw one beautiful goddess, sharing बैठी हुई है पैर एक ऊपर है और आशीर्वाद दे रही है.
Wow.
So I'm so
So
much,
just have to
so
say
much.
I'm open to receive all the blessings. आज तक हम ना बहुत रेजिस्ट करते हैं. हमें लगता है बहुत काम करने के बाद हमें कुछ मिलना चाहिए. से मुझे I'm open to receive everything from every nook and corner of the world. Unexpected, expected, everything I'm open to receive.
I'm open to receive. Yeah, yeah, thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you so much. Yes, Pia, you can leave. Yes, Shakuntala.
Yeah, meaning when you say dollars and everything is coming to you, I could really literally visualize lots of and lots of money is flowing towards me.
Wow. Do share very quickly, very sooner that yes, now you can have it in your hands. Amazing. So you have to just say, why am I feeling so safe with tons of money these days? Okay? Start vibrating at this question. Why am I feeling so safe with lakhs and lakhs of money coming to my accounts from expected and
Okay.
unexpected resources? NP
Sure,
Singh. Who is
sure.
this? Who is NP Singh, Baran? Aditi. Thank you so much, Aditi. वो name वो आ रहा था ना? Yeah. So, thank you so much, everyone. God bless you. Happy Diwali. Yes, there will be no classes till Diwali, but we will be having our, Kuber Portly session, which is, priced at 555. Sonam is going to take it in the Saturday morning, I suppose, and the timing is 7 a.m. So, just in 555, we'll activate that abundance, एक पोटली बनाते हैं, वो पर्टिकुलर कुछ उसमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स जाते हैं, दे आर बेसिकली रिलेटेड टू क्रिएट प्रॉस्पेरिटी, वेल्थ रिलेटेड, मनी रिलेटेड. ओके, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल रिचुअल शी टेक्स एवरी सिंगल ईयर. ओके, सो दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड, मनी रेकी वाले सारे स्टूडेंट्स और माया वाले सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी बाय डिफॉल्ट उसमें आएंगे, but rest of the people have to pay 555. Okay, got it? So bye bye everyone, you can share your feedbacks and everything you
Mini,
experienced today in the group.
Mini, please to share what all we need to bring on that day so that we'll
Yeah,
keep
yeah,
it ready.
you'll be getting everything if when you join that group. ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay, Mini, if